everybody, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to unbox this. Oh my god, what's inside? Alright everyone, I'm gonna unbox this. There are many balls, and if you like, how to say it in English, I have no idea, but yeah, they can come out. They're like glow in the dark things, I guess. And I have no idea what to expect. So first we are gonna get the plastic off. And what do you think of my new hairstyle? I think it's cute. Alright. Let's get the scissors. Alright, scissors. Good job. Okay, this is gonna be satisfying, I hope. Yes. Alright. So here it is. Alright, this is so cute. We have to open this up if there's a ball. Like, open here. Okay, yeah, this is cute. Alright, let's get a first ball. Oh, what did we get? Ooh. We got this one. With pink. Let's see what's inside. It's a little doll. Like, so cute. Hi. I don't know. Is it axolotl? I think it's supposed to be an axolotl. Alright. Get back in your ball. Yes, we're gonna get every ball out. Every ball. Wait, can you do the balls back in? Is that possible? Wait. No, you can't. But we're still gonna continue and open the rest. Okay, let's go. Woo! What did we get this? Something orange. We got... What is this? They're all glow in the dark, I guess. What? What is this? Oh. What the hell? If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments. Alright. Get back in your ball. Good. Next one. Oh, it's not coming. Alright. Oh, there it is. No, it's... Oh my god. Is it like a ring? I think it's a ring, but only my pinky fits it. Alright, so this is a green flower ring. And I'm gonna do it on. Alright, yes. These gifts are small, but actually awesome for some reason. Alright, next surprise. Oh. I think it's coming. Woo! There it is. It's yellow. It's like the same thing. Oh, wait. Maybe they can fit together or something. What? What is this? It's like the same thing as the orange one, but with other patterns. I don't know what it is. Like, get back in your balls. Right. That sounded really weird. If you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Alright. Alright, next surprise. There are like 2 more. 2 or 3 more. Oh, like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, sorry. There it is. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's another ring. This is a heart ring. I'm getting this on my other pinky. Sail. Sleigh. Alright, get the ball back. There's one more. And let's see what's inside. Oh my god, yeah. Why is this so funny? It's a little bit dirty, but it's Pikachu. Look how cute. There are none inside anymore. But look how cute Pikachu. Alright, yeah. This is kind of cute. Like, alright, get him back in his little home. Yeah, that's what we're gonna say. Alright. Got him trapped. So these are all the things we got. We got this Pikachu, super cute. We got this axolotl figure or something. We got this yellow and this orange weird thing. And we got 2 rings I really like. Alright, so if you want any of these, then you can, you know what? I may be gonna do a giveaway, but I don't know, sure. We're gonna see. Okay, bye.